The msi EdgeXpert AI Mini DGX has been getting plenty of attention lately, but does it live up to expectations? As a tech reviewer, I've had the chance to put this compact AI supercomputing desktop through its paces, and in this review, we'll dive into its features, performance, and real-world usability. The EdgeXpert AI Mini is powered by the NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell architecture, which delivers up to 1,000 TOPS of AI performance for generative AI, LLMs, and advanced edge computing workloads. This means developers can run large AI models locally, reducing reliance on cloud infrastructure while improving speed, privacy, and cost efficiency. The device boasts a high-performance ARM CPU architecture with 20 cores, including high-performance and efficiency cores. This design enables smooth multitasking, faster data processing, and optimized power usage for demanding AI applications. Additionally, the EdgeXpert comes equipped with massive 128GB unified memory, LPDDR5X high-bandwidth memory, and ultra-fast 4TB Gen 5 SSD storage. In terms of design, the EdgeXpert is an ultra-compact desktop that's perfect for edge deployments, research labs, and enterprise environments where space and performance matter. Its compact form factor makes it easy to integrate into any workspace, and its self-encrypting capabilities provide enhanced data security. The display quality on the EdgeXpert AI Mini is not its strongest suit. While it does feature a decent 10-inch display with good brightness and color accuracy, it's not particularly noteworthy in this regard. However, for those who need to work with large datasets or run complex AI models, the device's performance more than makes up for any limitations in the display department. In practical terms, the EdgeXpert AI Mini is a powerhouse of an AI computing device. It can handle demanding tasks like generative AI model training, LLMs, and advanced edge computing workloads with ease. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or enterprise professional, this device has the potential to revolutionize your workflow. One of the main advantages of the EdgeXpert is its connectivity options. With Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, USB 4 Type-C, and high-speed networking options like ConnectX 7, it's easy to integrate into any network environment. Additionally, the device comes pre-installed with NVIDIA DGX OS, Ubuntu Linux-based, which is optimized for machine learning, AI model training, and edge deployment. However, there are some limitations to consider. The EdgeXpert AI Mini can be quite expensive, especially when compared to larger desktops or server solutions. Additionally, its compact form factor may not make it the most accessible option for those who need a lot of expansion slots or upgrade options. In conclusion, the msi EdgeXpert AI Mini DGX is an excellent choice for developers, researchers, and enterprise professionals who need powerful AI capabilities directly in their workspace. While it's not perfect, its performance, practical benefits, and connectivity options make it a compelling option for those looking to bring AI computing power closer to home. You can check the latest price and availability using the links in the description. Hopefully, this helped you decide whether it's the right choice for your needs.